Hey everyone, everybody's wanting more pictures and videos of the 68, so I'm going to do a quick little video. Thankfully, we had a blowout. I had to take a tire off the Cutlass and put it on the trailer because I forgot my trailer spare. And then of course, we dipped and broke the trailer jack, which that's going to go electric now. No more cranking on that thing. So let's open her up. New floor pans all the way across. I don't know how well they did it, or I gotta crawl underneath. But the interior, it's all right. I plan to change it, and I'm gonna go white. I want a white interior. The car's gonna be red with a white interior. Unfortunately, there's no engine or transmission. The guy told me that the kid who had it before me was putting an LS1 in it, so he ripped everything out. You can see they even messed up the package strip there with the speakers. I don't think I'll worry too much about it. I'll clean it up a little bit, but the rust isn't that bad in the car. I mean, it's an Oklahoma car. You know, the doors are solid. The worst of the rust is, of course, as most Oldsmobile owners know, down there. The hood, I'm going to change. I want the Cutlass S hood with the louvers. And of course, someone put hood pins in it. The grille and the lights are super nice. They're not cracked up and beaten up, which kind of surprised me. They took the doghouse off, but left the radiator support so they didn't mess it up. I think the guy was actually trying to take more parts off the car before I got there, but yeah, it's got the little bit of rust along there, but I've seen worse. I've repaired worse, so that doesn't scare me at all. The panels are solid. It's not Bondo filled. I'm guessing they had some rust and they were trying to repair it, and they didn't finish it. So that's something else I want to do, but that's pretty easy. And it's got some surface rust right through here where they tried to repair it, but then just order me a new skin and cut what I need, because I mean, even through here, I mean, it's solid. Usually when you see the cars look like this, at least down here in South Texas, you start looking right there and there's holes all over the place. Alright, step up here, and as you can see, even back here it's not super bad. But it's got some cancer there, and there's cancer around the window here. The seal is actually broke on the window, so the window's ready to come out. Thankfully, it did not come out on the way home. They did put a lot of Bondo on the roof, though, and I don't know why. I'm hoping that there's not a hidden little secret that I'm not gonna like, but if so, getting another roof is not that big a deal. Repairing that. The bumpers are beautiful. Surprisingly, they're not really beat to hell and back. Now they did, the kid or he before, there's a new trunk pan that's in the trunk. They cut out the old one. So I just have to finish what they started. The frame's super nice. It's got the original 12-bolt rear end. He couldn't tell me what happened to the original engine. I think he knows. I think he took it. So, but it's a fairly clean car. Oh, and of course they put the wrong chrome here. These are actually off a Convertible, which if anybody's looking for them, I'll be putting them on eBay and getting the correct chrome. And it's got some cancer in the obvious places. But surprisingly, it's just that one little spot. And I've got a dent here which can be dollied out. But yeah, it's a fairly clean car. I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting a 68 for a while. I used to have the 68 Convertible, so So when this deal came my way, I was like, well, I couldn't resist. I mean, the headliner's good, but I don't think it doesn't look original for 68. It looks like it's been redone. And I cut a hole or ripped it over there. Definitely getting the 68 442 steering wheel for this car. And I need to get a front wiring harness for the engine. So I gotta make a list. But yeah, just how smooth the doors close. Well, it didn't close smooth enough that time. It's gonna make a liar out of me. Of course it did. So, yeah. For an Oklahoma car, it's not that bad. I'd open the hood, but they took the hood hinges off. So, I can't really open the hood. I set up here. It's got, they put some Bondo, but it doesn't really look like it's too much. Maybe there was a wave in it. I don't know. I have to grind it all down and see what they did. What the problem is. It might just be some rust holes in one bad spot, but along here it looks pretty good. Sorry if my camera work sucks. I'm still uberly tired. So, there it is. 1968 Cutlass. Finally. So I hope everybody else enjoyed the video and hope you have a wonderful day. I'm gonna rest a little bit and then tackle getting this thing off the trailer. And then tackle trying to fix the trailer. And then get a tire. You know what? I'm just gonna park it. I'll get it off tomorrow. Hope everyone has a good Sunday. Later.